the day has finally come. Dude, that's light. I'm sweating.
Bro, what have you done over here, bro?
Mate, ran the bolt. Ran the bolt. I don't know what the fuck to do, mate. I don't even know what to do, man. I don't think it's gonna work.
Who knows? You fucked it.
Huh?
Let's see.
Wait, haggard shit, bro. Yo, we finally got the nut out. We were spinning it the wrong way this entire time.
Spasty.
That was you as well.
It's 14.
What you got there? 17?
Yeah, I don't know why I got
So
this.
everyone's IQ is gonna lower from this video.
I feel retarded just watching this.
I know.
Just being here makes me dumb.
Finally making some progress.
And we're going to dedicate this video to that one fan that we saw at Honda Network.
Fucking hell. Wait, Turbo. Yeah. Oh, he's shaking. Oh, he's looking at the camera. Yeah, there's gonna be a close up of your dog's nose, bro.
Getting the lower fork loose from the lower control arm.
Fucking
Yep. Now we're gonna get this off the strut tower, and that's one done.
You need to go back to school, bro.
14. Huh?
You need to go back to school.
I'm going to school at the moment.
Redo English.
No. Piss off. One round, I stop.
Elbow me.
One round and I stop.
What the fuck is this stance?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, that's shit clean. That shit clean, my boy.
We're the opposite of mechanics.
Oh, shit.
We're done. We're done.
Oh!
We did it. We did it.
You're gonna have one coil in, bro.
Yeah, we did it. We did it. Ah, shit.
That's where you get the sledgehammer.
Yeah, there we go.
Belt the bitch here. I've never seen a worse coil vid in my life.
Oh, right. Oh. Finesse. Finesse.
There
It's
you go.
stuck.
Damn, bro. Shout out to Engineering Explain.
Take off those lower control. So once we have, and then we can just kind of.
He just skipped it. Fuck. Fucking.
Oh,
I'm so
fuck did you not see?
my bad, dude. My bad.
How did you manage that?
I don't know, man.
What'd your hand flick off of?
Huh?
I'm just so confused.
I don't know. I flinched.
From what?
I don't know. Did you get something in your eye?
Your hand!
Oh, there's nothing on my hand though.
You're fucking. What do you mean? Your fingers went right on my eye, cunt.
Oh my lord.
Which way you go?
He just went up and right.
Oh, well.
This way you
That
do
was
it,
the
bitch.
easiest shit
Wait.
ever. Are you gonna say anything or you just gotta like... Your right eye, just show your right
Are you looking at that?
eye. Yeah. Damn, it looks mint.
It
looks
oh,
cooked,
shit.
Dude, you fool like
Wait.
just whacked me.
Dude, how
right
come I
eye.
didn't feel it?
Dude, they're gonna think you're fucking fried rocking up to a fish and chip shop. Got the munchies, bro. What's going on?
It's been a week since the lights were cleared. Because we ran the fucking bolt. And
Yeah, I can see it there.
yeah. We went to Honda, picked up another nut. So now Dad's got to grind off the previous nut. Next time I see the car, I'll probably be driving. Well, it's the next day now. The Coilovers took us 12 hours or so. So bloody low.
That
Just
looks
then,
mad.
we just raced up a little bit, but the rear seating way too high. And I've already like almost maxed it out, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. There's so many improportions everywhere around the car.
I can almost fist this one, and then you come over the front one, and look at this. I'm barely got my hand in there.
No, I just raced as well. It was done before.
Oh no, yeah.
We're gonna lower the bottom a bit, but it's almost maxed. So we do that, and then we're going for a drive, I guess.
Mad.
Mad. Should be right. Hopefully.
Ooh, that's pretty close.
Pretty low.
What a sick car. That's mad. Look how low it is in the front garage. That looks fucking retarded. so fucking retarded. What the fuck? Do you know how retarded it looks? Yeah. It looks fucking disgusting.
Why is it like that?
The front's so low and then the back's so high.
Something's wrong with it.
Dude, your car's dancing like this.
So it's been 2 months since the last clip. I was driving around the car like this for a couple of months. Then they sent me the correct spring, so I put that in a couple of days ago. So here's my car.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Yeah, I was the way, but now I feel the tide. Pulling back, ocean flat. Off and I lay it, just off and sleep on my back. Toss a couple of my back. My liver really starting to slack. And like I feel myself the keg from the cigarette packs. I haven't thought I'd see results since I was living in the back. On black house, bad, my heart torn in half. Never got everything I ever wanted, but never that feels like I'm on it. That feels like I'm cursed. I need to know what that is. Yeah, I see what it's worth on me out on the curb. Leave me up on the well, I do well as y'all. Swerve away, lost in the cause I understand. Roll me up a blunt, ay. I need to get lost, ay. All y'all talk about sauce, I'm wiping frozen cuts with frost, I'm slicing open guts and tossing frauds up to the side. Half a suicide, a couple million now, we're ready to fucking die. And a bad bitch, then I pop me a Xanax quick. Call shake when I need that fix. Call me when I need that bitch. Call bird to the pop on for the me. Max back in the back, pot 17. Young Kurt Cobain with the heroin. Say love drugs over everything. Shoot the stars up in my fangs.
Collect this man, bro.
Uh-huh.
I said collect this man.